Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you a little craft that I'm going to do. I'm going to zoom up the camera, speed, so that you don't have to watch me painstakingly do this. It will be very quick. It won't be quick for me, but it'll be quick for you to watch, which is good. I got the inspiration for this idea from Rob the Maritimer. He's got a great channel here on YouTube, and his video that I just watched was, I have to go check the title. Hold on. Okay, it's called The Quiet Season of YouTube, and I'll put a link to his video in the description below. And you'll see as this video goes on what I'm talking about, how Rob inspired me to make this video I'm going to do today. So I'm going to show you real quick the ingredients, the supplies for my craft. I went to the bin store this week. I go to the bin store where they have overstock items and returns, I guess, from Amazon. I'm not sure where everything comes from, but I go on Wednesday because that's dollar day. And I bring home way too much stuff, but I decided I'm gonna get these. They are cute. Whoops. They're dinosaurs. This is here's one. Here's a triceratops. I don't know all the kinds of dinosaurs. I think this might be a triceratops. I don't know. I don't know what this is. This is a stegosaurus. And then another one without the humps. This one has the humps, this one doesn't. But I think they're all really cute. I got 2 packs. There were 5 in each pack, so I got 10. It also came with some jute string, and I have these markers, green, red, white, and gold. And I'm only going to use these 4 colors because I get overwhelmed and I can't decide what to do if I have too many choices. So I looked through my paint pens. These are Posca, Uni Posca paint pens, and I'll put a link to them if you wanted to check them out on Amazon. For a non-artist type person, these work great for me. I also have acrylic paints. I'm pointing over there. That's where I keep them, here in my living room. But I like using these sometimes. So I'm going to paint something on each of these, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. Okay, I finished paint pinning my ornaments, the dinosaur ornaments. And I don't know if I said that they are wood, but I'm just going to show you each of them. They're very rudimentary because that's how I am. I'm not a good artist, but I think it's fun. I like doing stuff like this. So, and they have a hole. I don't know if you could tell right here. And they're like a stencil, but these would be cute hanging somewhere. And I'll show you where I'm going to hang them. A couple little candy canes for this Stegosaurus or whatever he is. And here's a big Christmas tree behind the Stegosaurus. This Triceratops, I think that's what it is, has a little ornament hanging from his neck. And this guy has a tiny little tree because he's gigantic and this is tiny. And this one has 3 little ornaments that he's holding. And then little deck the halls ornament with some holly leaves with little berries. So that's what that one is. I think there's 2 more here. Okay, I got crazy with the gold paint pen, and these are supposed to be stars. And then I put a little ornament here just to, you know, I don't know. And the last one is this Triceratops with a little Christmas tree. So this part of the video is done. I'm done with the painting, making this, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with these in a few minutes. I'm in my back alley and I'm going to hang some of these ornaments, and they're probably going to fall down, but there's one. I have 3 left, so I'm just gonna hang them wherever I can find a good spot. People walk their dogs down this alley, so a few people will see them, and if they want to take them, that's fine with me. Wonder if I could get one on this prickly pear. I'm not going to touch it. There. And I think this log over here would be a good spot for this guy. Okay, I'm going to show you just one of them hanging here. This is the Triceratops with a tree. And if you watch Rob's video, Rob the Maritimer, he talks about on his walking path there are some ornaments, and I thought it was just really sweet. So yesterday when I saw these wooden ornaments at the bin store for $1 each package, I decided why not, just get them. And I wanted to do a little craft, so I did that, and here they are. So let me know if you will hang some ornaments somewhere outside in your neighborhood. You don't have to, but I think it's a sweet thing to do. And happy holidays, everybody.